Hello students, lecture 3 acid and base laga edu lecture de mon pH scale define kuro aru ta laga concept olop learn kuro pH scale bishi chutu ekta topic ase ulibi eta question do every time I dege either MCQ or short from the question I dege so mon ekbar sabo definition pH scale a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration so that is H plus ion pH scale ekta scale ase measure kore hydrogen ion concentration solution de pH scale la value ranges kore 0 to 14 0 ki ase value ranges from 0 to 14 deke 0 bishi acidic ase 0 bishi acidic ase 14 very alkaline or basic 7 do neutral ase aru less than 7 do acidic and more than 7 basic so idu scale ekbar sabo pH scale idu ekta scale ase talaga value 0 ba luigine 14 to kaze 0 ba luigine 14 to kaze 0 do bishi acidic ase aru 14 do very alkaline ase 14 do very alkaline ase 7 neutral ase less than 7 ko komti kiman tabi values ase idu do sob acidic ase aru more than 7 do sob basic ase ere scale di idu dini ase represent kurine ase itu ba represent kurine ase pH value like 6 5 4 3 2 1 pH value do decrease huishule H plus ion do increase hui jay pH value do decrease हुने जाइसिबिल दो H plus ion do increase हुई जाए that is hydrogen ion do increase हुई जाए hydrogen ion increase हुई जाए acidic properties भी की हुई जाए nature भी increase हुई जाए two side पे pH value increase हुई जाए OH ion do increase हुई जाए that is hydroxyl ion do increase हुई जाए pH value increase हुई hydroxyl ion do increase हुई जाए so acidic basic properties की हुई जाए basic nature increase हुई जाए acidic decrease हुई जाए so pH value decrease हुई hydrogen ion increase हुई जाए और acidic nature increase हुई जाए pH value increase हुई hydroxyl ion भी increase हुई जाए और basic और alkaline nature increase हुई जाए so value ranges from 0 to 14 0 bishi acidic ase 14 do bishi alkaline ase 7 neutral ase less than 7 do acidic more than 7 basic talaga values to pH laga value decrease huishule hydrogen ion increase hui jay acidic nature increase hui jay pH laga value increase huishule hydroxyl ion do increase hui jay aru basic nature do increase hui jay aru 7 do neutral ase itula related from kunba MCQ solve kuro multiple choice question exam de repeat kuri thake so mon ekbar sabo related to pH scale what is the standard range of pH scale so talaga range to ki ase 0 to 14 this is the answer next a solution with a pH of 3 do acidic ase so option the basic as a cancel so neutral be no so answer itu jobo mohla which of the following consider neutral on the pH scale so answer ki as a 7 what does the P in pH stands for so P do ki as a potence which means power which of the following pH value represent the strongest base ko as so now mon first base to kotor start hoy 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 so 7 cancel ho jabo 9 so 8 per 14 soap ase so the last one the key was strongest bases was very alkaline so answer is 14 last question MCQ bishi important is this question bishi bar repeat korege if the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution is high मतलब hydrogen ion concentration तो high रहेगले pH value तो की वो क्वासे so hydrogen ion concentration तो बिशी ऐसे that means pH value तो की जाओ low okay so bishi important question is इधो question number 6 बार repeat करेंगे hydrogen ion concentration H प्लस बेसी हुइसकेले pH भ्यालु दो कम्ती हो जाए OH माइनस बेसी हुइसकेले दो pH भ्यालु दो इनक्रिज हो जाए तो ये बेसी इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेश्चन है लास्ट ला ओके थैंक यू